What's up YouTube, welcome to another video, and today's video will be regarding the Samsung Galaxy M21, which is the latest device that is going to be launching on March 18. Previously the launch date was on March the 16th, but that has been delayed for some reason, and according to sAmoled, Samsung has shared a teaser over the Amazon, and they have confirmed the launch date has been extended on March the 18th. So in this particular video I will be discussing about the specifications which are going to be seen in that particular device. So before going into the video, if you're new here on the channel, do consider subscribing it. Samsung has already teased a few features of Galaxy M20. It will feature the 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with a water drop notch on the front side, and that design is pretty much similar to the previous design of M20 which we have already seen. The front of the screen has less bezel on top, front, and even the sides are slimmer in this particular device. Also, the water drop notch is coming with a 20 megapixel of a selfie camera on the front side, and the front is protected with a Gorilla Glass, and it is not yet been confirmed that which Gorilla Glass protection is going to be seen in that particular device. While moving on toward the back side, we have a triple camera setup on the back side, in which the main camera is of 48 megapixel, which has been released via the teaser which we have already seen. The other two cameras are including an ultra wide camera, and that camera is expected to be of an 8 megapixel camera sensor, and the last one is expected to come a 5 megapixel of a depth sensing camera. Also on the back side of the device, as the render images are showing, is holding a LED flashlight. The back is made up of plastic rather than glass. A physical fingerprint scanner is also present on the back side of the device. While moving on towards the internal of the device, and according to sAmoled, it is expected to feature an Exynos 9611 processor inside, and along with that it is coming with a 4GB and 6GB of RAM inside, with the 64 and 128GB of internal storage, and that storage is based on UFS 2.1. Also, a micro SD card slot is going to be seen in that particular device. It's a dual SIM phone with an LTE GPS, Bluetooth 5.0 Wi-Fi, and a USB Type-C port, and along with that it is also coming with a 3.5mm headphone jack inside. The battery which is coming inside is expected to be of around 6000 mAh and can rapidly charge using a 15 watt of fast charging, which is also going to be seen in the box. The phone will be available in black, blue, and sky blue colors, and the smartphone will be launched in some European markets. So overall, the design is pretty much old, and that design has already been seen last year from many companies, and now we are seeing in that particular device as well. Since it's a budget device, so we are expecting that the price will also be lower for that particular device, and that is all the reason which I feel that Samsung has gone towards the same design in order to cut or down the price of that device. So that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thought in the comment section below. I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.